Dragonfly, I see you look at me with your beautiful eyes. You must be wondering what type of creature am I. A dog looked at me and said, Ziggy, why can't we trust man? Puss and me get together, so why can't you all just understand? An old tree stood there silently, listening to every word